Hello guys, good morning, how are you? I hope just fine. Guys, first of all, on Wednesday we have a meeting at Zoom, okay? So don't forget about it. In this meeting, okay, we are gonna discuss and we are gonna correct that homework that I asked you last class, okay? So don't forget to send me by mail, because if you don't send me, I have to say to Joyce, okay? So don't forget to send me, okay, this the photo, okay, or something, or just the answers, okay? Don't forget to Wednesday. But on Wednesday we're gonna correct, okay? Today we're gonna go to page 32, okay, because we have some exercise to do about review, okay? So you are gonna see that we have here the first exercise. We have to each sentence has a missing word, okay? So page 32, it's a review about the 3 units that we've seen before. So unit 1, unit 2, and unit 3, sorry. So we are gonna review it, yeah, you know. The first exercise, I'm gonna do this with you just you to be sure, you know, because you've never done this before, so pay attention. So the exercise 1, here we have each sentence has a missing word, you know. So we have to rewrite the sentences writing the word that is missing. So for example, the bakery is 10th Street. So the missing word is on, because before street I have to put on. So the Baker Street is on 10th Street, you know. The second here, we have straight ahead for 2 blocks. So let's remember, when I say to you straight ahead, I have to put another word before that, you know. So go straight ahead. Yes, so I have to write go or walk, doesn't matter. Okay, stay straight ahead for 2 blocks. Remember that? Go straight ahead. Go straight ahead. So go straight ahead or walk straight ahead, doesn't matter. Number 3, the pet shop is next to the clothing store. The word that is missing is the pet shop is next to the clothing store, you know. So number 4, the beauty salon is across the supermarket. Is across what, guys? Is across from the supermarket, you know. Number 5, the gas station is the corner of St. Mary's and Patterson Streets. So it's wrong because it's on the corner, you know that? So I'm gonna show you the answers just to. So go straight ahead for 2 blocks. The pet shop is next to the clothing store. The beauty salon is across from the supermarket. And the gas station is on the corner of St. Mary's and Patterson Streets, you know. So I think it's clear, okay. If you have any doubts, please after contact me, okay. Here, complete the words that are missing with the missing letters. Guys, this is very easy, so I'm gonna put here because there's no problem with you, okay. We've worked this somewhat. So remember, bakery, do you remember that? Okay. Number 2, bank, okay, to get money. Beauty salon, okay, when you go to get a haircut or stylish, you know. Number 4, bus stop. You need to take the bus, you go to the bus stop, you know. 5 is just clothing, okay. 6, drugstore. 7, gas station, remember, gas station, okay, put gas in the car. Pet shop, you know, restaurant, and supermarket. Oh, sorry, because supermarket. Yeah. Yes, guys. So I think there's no problem with that. So number 3, answer the questions using some of words in activity 2. Follow the example. So Em needs to go to get some gas. Where can she go? Guys, she needs to get some gas. So she goes to gas station, you know. So I have to answer, she can go to a gas station. Just that. She can go to a gas station. you know? So, number 2. Ryan wants to buy a new jacket. Where can he go? Oh, sorry, guys. Sorry. Because here, you know, in exercise 2, I forgot to tell you something. It's clothing store, okay? It's not just clothing, okay? Because clothing store. Sorry for that, okay? But it's clothing store, you know? So, continues. Ryan wants to buy a new jacket, you know? Where can he go? He can go to a clothing store, you know? The same. Sophie needs a haircut, you know? Where can she go? She can go to a beauty salon or at the beauty salon. Jason's dog needs a bath. Where can Jason go? He can go to a pet shop, you know? I want to buy some fresh bread. Where can I go? I can go. You can go because I'm talking to you. You can go to a bakery, you know? Dan and Anna want to buy some food. Where can they go? They can go to a supermarket, you know? If you put restaurant, okay, there's no problem because nowadays you can ask some, you can order some food by restaurant, so there's no problem, you know? But whatever, you know? So, here number 4, circle the correct word in each sentence. So here we have, I'm gonna put it here and we are gonna discuss, okay? So here, there is an or some onion in the fridge. The correct is an. Why, teacher? Because onion, I'm talking about just about one onion. So it's an onion. If I have to put onions, you have to put some. But in this case, it's just one, so it's an onion. Number 2 here, there is a or there isn't any ketchup. Remember that ketchup is an uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. So there's no plural, you know? Because of that, I can't put a, just any, you know? Any ketchup. Because of that. There is an or some yogurt. The same rule of ketchup. Because yogurt is an uncountable noun. So I can't put an because an is just for one, you know? So I can't say one yogurt. I can say some yogurt, you know? So there are some or there are any hot dogs. In this case, I have to put some because we are talking about an affirmative form, you know? So some hot dogs. There is a or any tomato in the kitchen table. In this case, I put a because tomato is countable. I can say 1 tomato, 2 tomatoes, 3 tomatoes, 4 tomatoes, and so on, you know? So, a tomato because it's just 1 tomato. Number 6, there aren't some or there aren't any hot dog buns. Remember that when we're gonna talk about negative sentence, we have to talk about there aren't any hot dog buns. So I can't say some because we are in negative. There aren't. Okay, guys? So let's go to page 33. Okay, 33. Yes. May I open here? And just put here page 33. Yes. So here we have, I'm gonna print the same. I know that it's a little bit difficult, but look. Complete the sentence with a, an, any, or some. You know that? Is that for you? Yes? So I'm gonna print mine because this is really bad you to see. So I'm gonna print my page. Oh, sorry. Yes. So in this case, there is a head of lettuce. Remember that I was talking about the head of lettuce? So just one head, so a head of lettuce. There isn't any milk. I can't say there isn't some milk. No, it's impossible, teacher, because it's a negative sentence. So there isn't any milk. Sorry, guys, I'm doing this, you know. There aren't some hamburger patties. There are some hamburger patties because I can't say a or n because it's not just one, it's a lot of them. There isn't an ice cream. You know, negative sentence. There is an apple, just one. There isn't a bottle of ketchup. Ketchup, remember that because I'm talking about a bottle, not about ketchup. Just ketchup. I'm talking about the bottle, okay, the unit. There aren't any cans of soda. Remember, cans of soda. So I'm talking about negative sentence, so I have to put any. And there are some oranges. Some, because we're talking about affirmative sentence and we're talking about plural. Yes. So write questions using how much or how many, then complete the answers. Here we have an example. How much grape juice is there? There are 4 bottles. So, the next one, buns. How many buns are there? You know, because buns I can't count. So, it's countable word. So, how many buns are there? 2 packages. There are 2 packages. You know, remember there is and there are. Ice cream. Remember that ice cream, I have to put how much. So, how much ice cream is there? I can say are. Is there. That is 1, 2. How much milk is there? There is 1 cartoon. Remember? 1 cartoon. Remember that milk is an uncountable word, so it's because of that I put much. How many oranges are there? Remember that oranges are countable words, it's because of that I put how many oranges are there. There are 2 bags. Okay? So it's just that, okay? So, Gabriela is writing her Canadian friend Barry about the seasons in Brazil. Remember the seasons? Spring, summer, winter, and fall. Complete the text with the words from the box. Use each word only. Cloudy, remember cloudy? Where we have a lot of clouds in the sky. Cold, fall, hot, rainy, spring, summer, sunny, winter, and winter. So let's go and see. Hi Barry. Last time we spoke, you wanted to know about the seasons in Brazil. So here is a short explanation. Summer in Brazil begins in December and it's a very hot season. Remember that I talked to you last week? We were talking that summer it's very hot. It's because of that I like summer, okay? It's my favorite season. With temperatures often above 30 degrees Celsius. And the sun shines strong and bright. Many people enjoy these sunny days of summer at the beach or in the countryside. But summer can also mean a lot of rain. When it is rainy, the traffic in the big cities can get pretty bad. But we are thankful for the water that fills our reservoirs. The beginning of fall ends in March. We are in fall here. There can be a lot of wind. I love those windy days when the leaves are falling from the trees and the sky is blue. Then, in June, winter begins. The weather is not too cold where I live. The average temperature is around 20 degrees. In fact, there are many nice days and lovely flowers and trees like the wonderful ipe. Ipeo, you know, it's a tree. But sometimes the sky is full of clouds and really dark. When it is cold and cloudy, I want to stay home in my bed and I wait for the sabiás to start singing to tell me September is around the corner and spring will soon be here. Right, back soon. So he's talking about all the seasons, you know, and talking about the descriptions of them. You know that? So if you have any doubt, please, after contact me, don't forget to do the exercise, you know? So here we have the correct form of the adjectives when you're talking about comparison. Let's see. For example, Rio de Janeiro is more crowded, remember, crowded than Salvador. Here we have Santa Catarina, hot, Manaus. Manaus is hotter than Santa Catarina, of course. Bento Gonçalves is quieter than Recife. of course. São Paulo is more polluted than Curitiba, okay? And Ouro Preto is more interesting than Belo Horizonte. Okay, guys? So I think there's no doubt about it. So if you have any doubt, please contact me, okay? So it's just for today. Don't forget to do the homework for Wednesday because we're gonna correct and you have to send me by email. Don't forget that, okay? My email is in WhatsApp. You know that? So, see you. Kisses. Bye-bye. Have a nice Monday.